Alright guys, so today I got the new phone equipment in, and I'm going to try it out and see what it looks and how it sounds. The audio, as far as this audio, let me know what you guys think. The quality is still coming off my phone. It's not coming yet off. I haven't set it up yet for the GoPro. I'm going to try this on my phone. Maybe tomorrow I can set it up for the GoPro, but as of right now, it's all going to come off of my phone. So since you guys don't know, I went ahead and purchased this stabilizer bar. Let me know what you guys think. Does it keep everything stabilized? If not, I'll get ready to upgrade it anyway. Within like the next month or two to something else different for another stabilizer bar. And I also went with this microphone. This is a Ryobi. For what I saw in reviews, this is like second best to the Rode camera so far. What I can tell you about this is that the little muffin piece don't come off. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. There you go. So this is my little mic that I ordered off of Amazon. It was like $32. So I'm gonna try this thing out and hopefully keeps down some of the sound and clean up some of the audio. I've been messing around with a lot of sound qualities, and I realized as I've been editing my video, it's been harder and harder for me to delete some of the background sound. So hopefully this only picks up my sound and nothing else. It's going to be on this car. Once again, we're going to finish doing the interior up on here. We started with the dashboard. We put Armor All on the dashboard. We put Armor All on the doors. We vacuum the inside of the car. Hit the seats. And today we're going to clean the floor and the seats in this car to bring that to that new back to life shine. So this is the door. Went ahead and did that with the door, cleaned that all up. Did a little bit of the back of the seats. I gotta do a little bit better, but this is the seats currently. This is the floor currently. So yeah, we got a big job ahead of us, but we can knock that out today. And the purpose for this video is for somebody that's trying to sell their car and that's trying to get the money that they want out of their car. In order for you to get that, you have to make your car look like the price that you want to get it for. And if you saw my last video, the way it looked, nobody was going to buy it for that price. So we got to do a little bit of finessing, if I can say, to get the money out of that we want for this car. So for right now, I'm going to do this interior, grab the stuff out of my car from this interior, back this car up into the back up towards the driveway. So I've got plenty of room for me to get to other things. Alright guys, so today's video we're going to do this interior and whatnot. So these are the parts we're using. I got this right here from the dollar store. We're going to see how good the dollar store brand is. I brought this right here at Walmart. And this right here is going to be at the end. And this is going to be hopefully for you to break up some of the dirt and stuff that's inside the carpets and in the seats. And I already got my soap and water right there. So, alright guys, so what I am going to do is go ahead and start off with the dollar store stuff. And I'm going to spray down everything inside this car. As far as the carpet, I'm going to start on this driver's side too. Spray everything down. and then work my way towards the back. Try to get around the whole car. Alright guys, so I haven't yet vacuumed it. I just basically sprayed it down with the dollar store stuff and the Awesome, and I also hit it with this Ultra OxyClean, and it automatically, I will say, once I started spraying this stuff down on this front of this car first, for the front part of the carpet, it started pulling it up. Alright, so now this is the back end of it, and this has only been with the Awesome and the dollar store stuff, and I only done one side. I don't know how well you guys can see, but that's brown, and yeah, I still gotta hit it with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the OxyClean next, and then from there vacuum out this side. And let me just go over this real quick with you guys if I ever get started. Normally when you ever doing detailing this car, some people take out the seats out of these vehicles. They'll remove the seats, like the front seat and the passenger seat out of here, so they get the very good detail underneath of here. Fortunately, I don't have my tools with me or the lighting left for me to do that, since I'm just getting off work. So I'm just gonna have to work with what I got. Maybe off camera, I'll probably post to my IG probably sometime tomorrow over the weekend. I go ahead and pull these seats up and get some more of this dirt and coins and stuff. And the reason why I say that is because you can still see stuff all down in here that I couldn't get with the vacuum cleaner. So let me stop rambling. Let me do this back end part right here on this side and vacuum out and show you the difference. Alright guys, so I do want to add this in here before I do a vacuum. You can go back over it with a damp rag like I did on this back seat and the front seat. You will notice once you hit it with a rag to wipe everything down, that there's going to be a lot of dirt and stuff that pulls up from off the seat on the rag. So you can still see some of it through the camera, but for where I'm at, it don't look that bad. Some people use a steamer to get some of the dirt loose into the carpet or the chairs and the carpet and stuff to pull it up some more. Unfortunately, I do not have a steamer, so I'm using what I have to get some of this dirt up, which will be soap, water, this good stuff, and a vacuum cleaner. And the reason why I say these things, because my dad used to be a detailer. I recognize a lot of the equipment and stuff that you're supposed to be using and whatnot, because he used to use it a lot. Me, yeah, I'm this basic. So let me go ahead and hook up this vacuum cleaner, vacuum clean that side, and I can go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. I can say one thing, and that is it came out a lot better, but I believe it would have came out a lot better, and it all could have broke up all the dirt and pulled it up, so for the vacuum for me to use. But this is what I got out of what I've done. Look at the difference in between both sides. It's a hell of a difference from this seat and that seat. So like I said, I'm not gonna bore you. I'm gonna do the other side, and then after that, I don't know. Oh, and drop that new car drop the new car balm inside here, so I can get the new car smell, because right now it smells really good, but I like that new car smell. And then from there, probably that's it. But I want to let you guys know, if you ever want to look into detailing, Brenton Jones put me on with some of this. I was watching something he was doing, and it got me thinking something for this channel. So got me thinking about how can I sell this car in a better condition than what it is now. Well, a word from Mr. Brenton Jones. I'll put his link right here. Well, his little Instagram thing right here. And go check out his YouTube channel. support the homie. Yo, if you watching this, plug yourself in on the bottom of my comment section. Feel free. Alright guys, so I'm now finished. This is the back side of it. It came out hella nice, hella good. I like the overall results. I will point out, like I said, there's still some spots I can't get to like that, but I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll pull these seats out or something. I don't know. And this is the passenger side. Look how good they came out versus how it was before. I want to ask you guys a question. Next 2 weeks, I get paid again. Should I spend money on the 240 and finish getting some more of the, finish getting some more parts on the 240, or should I go ahead and spend the money and get this Malibu done? Fender, strut, brakes, and possibly battery. Let me know down in the comments which one would be better as far as content for you guys. This or 240. On that note, guys, you guys take care. Have a good day. This is just my side of detailing this Malibu for a better sale. This is where I did my detailing for this Malibu. Go check out A Word from Brenton Jones, and he will definitely, you know, guide y'all guys in a probably in a different path than I would, but it might be a little bit more higher quality, I believe. This right here, because I know as far as detailing, this is like basic quality. But enough rambling. Like I said, answer that question down in the below. Go subscribe to my boy Brenton. You guys take care. Have a good day. Peace.